they extend the borders of China somewhat as well. We start to see an increase in population, particularly towards the west, and obviously from Mongolia and across the whole of Manchuria.
But let's have some more.
Hey, but then he was just playing rope-a-dope. And suddenly out of the grave he comes and delivers the final punch. And
It was the year of...
And he thinks he's winning. He's got a few victories along the way.
Thank you very much.
The third phase of the ceasefire will be 3 phases.
Kulisevsky now, he was being pulled back. He did well to pass the ball infield to Son, who tried to return the play, and clearly Tottenham have been rallied.
The remainder of today, misty throughout.